Yeah, hello scrappers. Welcome back. Got a few new tools in today. They've been out for delivery for, well, today's the third day they finally got here. Got a nice little fluke meter, electric meter, whatnot. Been wanting a fluke for a long time, and this is fairly inexpensive. It's like $107 on Amazon, and pretty well do everything the guy wants it to do. You've got a little light for backlight. So I thought that'd be convenient, especially since I'm messing with the solar. And then I think in the last video I mentioned that my air chisel gave up on me, so I ordered this Ingersoll Rand, and it's got a quick connect. So now this little notepad that was up inside the quick connect says you're going to tighten it to about 4.0 foot-pounds. Okay, I don't have a way to really just kind of snug it. And then it's got, looks like 3 Allen screws around it. And it says 9 inch-pounds. 4 foot-pounds, that should be fairly tight. 9 inch-pounds isn't, probably just snugged up. It's got some Loctite on the threads, I can see that. I'll just take them into about flush, I guess. They got a lot of resistance on it, just even here. I'm thinking, okay, inch-pounds, I'm probably putting up more than that just to get it to screw in a little bit. That one's in set just a little bit from flush. If it comes loose, I'll tighten it down a little more. I just got to get some Teflon tape on the threads. While I'm talking about tools, I got online today, Home Depot's website, and for those of you that have Ryobi tools, you may know about Ryobi Days at Home Depot. If not, and for those that don't know, Ryobi Days has started. It's usually right around Memorial Weekend, holiday weekend. The last year before, they ran a little late because of the pandemic, and they had it closer to Father's Day. But one reason I went to Ryobi was because the batteries were cheaper. Yeah, you know, a little more inexpensive. I've got batteries right now that I've been running for 3 years. Let's see. Here's a 4 amp hour battery here. So you get, for the Ryobi Days deal, which I'll put a link in the description below. I put a link on the community page right now, but for $99 you get 2 batteries and a charger, and you get a free tool. You go over to the right hand side and you'll see a spot that says free tool or something like that. You click on it, and then it gives you a selection of tools you can choose from. I think Sawzall's in there, the angle grinder is in there, several other small 150 watt inverter, and what the tool I chose this time, they got a 3/8 inch drive impact wrench. So I got the 1/2 inch drive impact wrench, and I really love it. When I was doing junk cars, I think I've only ran into a couple lug nuts that this thing would not take off. And I mean, this thing's a beast. The only regret I have on this is that I didn't get it sooner. And I think the 3/8 will be really handy for tearing stuff down. So I went ahead and got it. And that's a $99 tool by itself. So I'm getting, for $99, which after tax and everything I'm having to ship to the house, free shipping, it's costing me like $104.20, something like that. So I'm getting a $99 tool plus, you know, actually I think the batteries are more than $99 with the charger if they're not on sale. So you can't beat it. I don't really need the batteries. I've got about 10 of them right now. And like I say, some of these are like 3 years old and they seem to be keeping up just as good as the ones I've had forever. I had one that was running kind of weak. I put a sticker on the bottom, and I don't know where it's at. It's not up. It's probably, here it is. It's got the little sticker on the bottom, and it's been doing pretty good. It seems like it wears down a little bit faster than the rest, but like I said, it's 3 years old. It's, you know, been recharged multiple times. So I'm gonna like this quick connect, and this Ingersoll Rand, like I said, it's about $50 on Amazon. I'll put it on the my affiliate page. But it comes with a flat chisel, and of course this chisel here, it almost looks like my modification that I've been using for pulling the copper out. After I cut the one side off, you can almost get in there with that and pry it right on out of there. And it's got, you know, like I said, this quick connect chuck. That didn't go down quite far enough. There we go. Now it's in there. Looks like it'll be a lot faster and easier than what I had. So we shall see. But I thought I'd give you a little shout out on the couple tools I bought, and also that Ryobi Days has started. And like I say, I think it's an excellent deal. You get 2 batteries and a charger for $99, then you get a free tool. I mean, I can't think of any other tool manufacturers out there that, you know, even the Harbor Freight, you might get 1 battery, 1 charger. I was looking at a Bauer the other day, or Hercules. I was looking at a little 12-volt Hercules, and by the time I bought a small battery for it, it was like $20 for the battery, so that was dirt cheap. But the charger was about $40, and it was another $40, $50 or $60 for the tool. So I was thinking, shoot, that's almost a $100 bill right there. So the only reason I was looking at it is because it's smaller and lighter. And really what I need to do is go down and get a couple 1.5 amp hour batteries, or even one. That's going to lighten the drill up a bit. I've been running these 4 amp hours. I've got multiple 4 amp hours. I've got 2 6 amp hour, and I've got 2 3 amp hour batteries. So 3 amp hour is really the same size, looks like the same size as 4 amp hour. So, but and if you watch that last video, you know now I can charge these up with the solar panel. So, which, and another little deal, I'm working on this little battery meter. I got to put a couple of alligator clips on it. I just clip it on and tell me if, you know, how fully charged it is and the volts. So hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You can get down to Home Depot, and they should have big displays set up for the Ryobi Days. If not, just get online and order it, and you can have it shipped to the store or shipped to your house. And like I said, I think it's an excellent bargain. It only happens once a year, so I mean, jump on it while you can. I never tilt that down or tilt it up high enough. It probably got too much light from the door out there. A little backlit. I'll try to get off here to the side. But yeah, kind of like I said, the reason I went to Ryobi was because of the cheaper batteries. Because I was given $70 for a little 12-volt battery for DeWalt, which I really like that drill. But you know, it seemed like I bought a battery, and about a year later, and I used it quite often, but about a year later, the battery's dying on me. I had to go buy another one. You know, I thought, shoot, at $70, $80, and the 12 volts were getting harder and harder to find, and the bigger ones were even higher than that. So I thought, shoot, I'm going with Ryobi. The tools are fairly inexpensive, and batteries are definitely cheap. So we'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll leave a link in the description below for the Amazon affiliate page, and I'll try to make sure I get that fluke meter on there, and I'll have a link also in the description for the Ryobi Days there at Home Depot. And if the link for some reason doesn't work, just go to homedepot.com, in the search deal put Ryobi batteries, and it should be right there, the first one. It'll say something about Ryobi Days. So hey, happy scrapping, folks, and if you're not a Ryobi user, maybe now's the time to change. But yeah, I know you probably got your brands, some like Milwaukee, some like DeWalt, and they're good brands, good tools. I can't argue that. For those of you that don't have the power tools and want to get into something, it's a good cheap way to start. And like I said, the batteries seem to last and last, so Ryobi seems to be a pretty good quality. I haven't had really much problem with them at all. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.